Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of English grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, today we are going to start with a very new topic of future perfect continuous tense. Before starting this topic, I hope that you all might have completed your fair book up till exercise number 6. Let's start future perfect continuous tense. So future perfect continuous tense construction of have this structure: will plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. So now we are going to discuss that where future perfect continuous tense is going to be used. It is used to talk about an action in progress before and up to the specific point of time in the future. So here, future perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an action which is going to start at a specific point and which is going to be completed at the specific point of time in the future. So example is given here through which we can understand it in more detail. Naina will have been reading for 4 hours by 5 o'clock. So when when the clock is going to struck by 5 o'clock, Naina will have been reading for 4 hours. So here it expresses the time in which the progress of an action before and up to what specific time. Here 4 hours and by 5 o'clock. So the specific time is given which expresses future perfect continuous tense. He will have been eating for an hour in 5 minutes. So here the comparison of the time is done that he will have been eating for last 1 hour in next 5 minutes. So here also the comparison is seen at the action which has been started in the previous time and up till which specific point it is to be completed in the future. In order to make the future perfect continuous sentence negative, we are going to add not after will. So the example here is given: Naina will not have been reading for 4 hours by 5 o'clock. And he will not have been eating for an hour in 5 minutes. In the same way, in order to make the sentence as a question sentence, we will put will before the subject. So here the subject is Naina in the very first example. Will Naina have been reading for 4 hours by 5 o'clock? And will he have been eating for an hour in 5 minutes? So the structure of this, dear students, what you need to write in your fair book: will plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. This indicates future perfect continuous tense. Let's see exercise number 7. Complete the following sentences using the future perfect continuous form of the verbs given in the bracket. So here the first one is: by the time children come, we dash the house for 5 hours. The bracket is clean. So the answer will be: by the time the children come, we will have been cleaning the house for 5 hours. The very next one is: Anuradha dash for her music competition when we go to her house. So practice. So the answer will be: will have been practicing for the music competition when we go to her house. The third one is: Sumesh dash his essay when we leave the class. Sumesh will have been writing his essay when he leaves the class. The rivers dash when the monsoon starts. The bracket is dry up. The rivers will have been drying up by when the monsoon starts. So this exercise is what, my dear students, I am sharing with you in the PDF file. You can write the same in your fair book. The other ways of expressing future. The auxiliary will is most commonly used to talk about the future. However, some present tense form also expresses the idea of future. So in order to express the future tense, there are many other ways. There are also the forms of present tense which expresses the idea of future. We are going to see it further. present simple, or we can say simple present. The simple present is used to talk about the timetables or the schedules in the future. The train leaves at 5:30 p.m. So here it shows that by 5:30 in the evening the train leaves. So 5:30 p.m. also indicates the time of future. The new series starts on Monday. So it also indicates the future. So many a times it may happen that simple present tense is used to indicate or talk about the timetable or the schedules which are going to happen in future. The very next one is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about someone's plan. So when someone is planning, it also indicates the present continuous tense as well as the future tense. Harish is visiting us tomorrow. So is visiting us tomorrow. Tomorrow indicates the future tense, as well as the sentence indicates present continuous tense, that Harish is going to visit us tomorrow. The second example is Sunita is leaving for Delhi by this evening. So Sunita, by this evening, evening indicates the future tense, but is leaving for Delhi indicates it present continuous tense. Be going to. We use be going to plus the infinitive to say that someone intends to do something. When we can see that someone is having an intention to write something, we use be going to plus the infinitive to say the same. So the example here is Sumesh is going to write a new poem. This indicates the future tense, but the future, the thing which we talk about the near future is considered as future tense, but is here represents the present tense. The second example is the workers are going to start a strike. So are going to start a strike, that means in the near future they are going to start the strike. Hence, dear students, let's get some more idea with the help of exercise number 8. Use the correct present tense to form of the verb in the bracket to express the future. The show dash in the last week of January. Here the bracket is open. So we can say the show opens in the last week of January. Siddharth dash the trees along the edge of his garden tomorrow. Siddharth is planting trees along the edge of his garden tomorrow. Sujit dash a lecture this evening. Sujit is giving a lecture this evening. I dash John at 6 o'clock. The bracket is see. I am going to see Sujit. I am going to see John at 6 o'clock. The race dash at quarter past 4. Begin. The race begins at quarter past 4. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. The rest of the question is what I am sharing with you in the PDF file. But before opening the PDF file, I hope that you all will be trying to solve the exercise on your own. It's better that if you can try the questions by your own and then check the answers, that whether you have written the correct answers or not in the PDF. Dear students, start completing your notes and start preparing for your unit test. Thank you and have a nice day.